Google has officially shocked the smartphone world. This is the Google Pixel 10, and it's pushing Samsung and Apple into real competition. Premium design. Pixel 10 comes with a cleaner, more luxurious look, featuring a flat titanium-like frame and a smaller, futuristic camera bar. This time, Pixel finally feels like a premium flagship. Display. It features a 6.3-inch LTPO AMOLED display, 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate, and up to 3000 nits peak brightness. Outdoor visibility is insanely bright. Performance. Powered by the new Google Tensor G5 AI processor, built for real-time editing, smarter voice typing, instant translation, and AI features that make it more than a smartphone. It's a powerful AI device. Camera. Pixel 10 packs a 50-megapixel main camera with a 48-megapixel telephoto lens. Low-light photography is on another level, and the new AI video cinematic blur gives real DSLR-style results. Battery and charging. Finally, Pixel brings 65-watt fast charging with a 4700 milliamp battery. Up to 60% in just 20 minutes. No more slow charging frustration. Software and updates. Runs on Android 16 with 9 years of official updates. Buy it once, stay future ready for almost a decade. Expected price. Expected U.S. launch price $799, making it a strong premium alternative to Apple and Samsung. Final question. So tell us, is the Pixel 10 a real game changer or just hyped? Drop your thoughts below.